Kevin said that we needed to add ghosting, player ghosting. So that's what we're adding right now, player ghosting. And what we want to do is get that working. Ghost coordinates. All we have to do is render it now. All we have to do is render the ghost coordinates. Hey, there we go. There we go. All right. How are we going to do that? We need a ghost element is what we got to do. A ghost element. We've got the ghost coordinates. We're good. All right. We did it. We succeeded. So all we have to do now is get the ghost out and then render all the ghost coordinates on the output. That's all we got to do. That's it. That's all we got to do. All right. So we will do that in somehow. I don't know. Let's see where we got. So here's the in. All right. So here's in send play record and maybe also we'll also draw. Let's see. If is not empty, then we can draw, right? So this is what we'll do. If the output is not empty, then we'll draw it. So we get the ghost. And so let's do this. Let's just paste it here. And it should say false, and we should be able to see the ghost coordinate. Let's do a full white. Let's do all white. Full on white. There we go. I see out false. All right, so it's jumping in, and it says it's rendering. Oh, we have to blit the screen. I forgot. Okay, 1 second. Here, send coordinates is in the wrong spot. Yeah, there it is. All right, there we go. We just got to put it on the right spot. We forgot to do that. All right, so now we should be seeing a whole bunch of stuff. Maybe, please. That's what I was thinking. It's got to be that. It has to be that. Maybe we have to also run a blit or something, or the XY coordinates are not correct. Well, all right, we're going to figure this out. And then we're going to move on to music. All right, what else do we got here? Send coordinates, flip. Do we have to, so render player, does it have to always, so players. What we'll do is we'll create a list of entities. We'll just create a list of entities in the game class. All right, that's what we're going to do. All right, so let's do ghosts. All right, ghost is a list of entities. There we go. A list of entities, you guys. And then we append them to the ghost. And we also have to update it so that way we pass in the user ID. We got to pass in the user ID as well. So then we can, it's got to be a dictionary of user IDs. That's what we need, a dictionary, not a list. All right, let's go back to that. It's got to be a dictionary. Can I do dictionary like that? Can I do that? And then so that'll be the player. And then we also need to add a user ID. We got to add in the user ID. Otherwise, it's not going to work. It won't work otherwise. So how do we go about doing that? I want to create a user ID for the user, and maybe the player is going to have you. All right, so where is it? Player. Let's get to this. Let's do this. All right, so player is going to have a user ID, and it will be a string. There we go. And then when we instantiate the player, we are going to give it a random user ID. It's got to be random. np.random. Can we do like a random string is what I want? How would we go? A UUID 4 is what I want. So let's do that. Import UUID. And then we'll just do UUID 4. All right. Python UUID, import UUID, UUID.UUID 4. Is that, there we go. And then we do an str on that, right? Is that how we do that? All right, perfect. We're making a game where the AI learns to chase you, and we're adding ghosting into the experience. All right, so I want send underscore. All right, so and this will be game.player.user ID. I think. Let's try that. And then we need to, when we draw this, it's going to be, this will probably still work. But what we need to do is we need to update the dictionary for the game where the player IDs exist. Game dot, what do you call it? Ghosts. Perfect. It's going to equal ghost. That's what we want. So we need to, for the keys for ghost ID, for keys. No, we don't want keys for values. We'll say G. We'll just call it G. Let's call it G, you guys. G. There we go. G. All right. That should work now. I think that'll work. I'm pretty sure that'll work because it will always draw those ghosts on the screen. Is this going to work or is it going to crash? I'm actually kind of curious. Let's see. Let's do Python game. All right. Did we do it? Nope. We crashed it. All right. What happened? Missing acquired. All right. So game. All right. So right here. What line is that on? 306? Okay. 306. And then we need to go ghosts equals an empty array. That's it. That's all we got to do. That's it. That's it right there. Ghosts. Perfect. Ghost, you guys. So did we do it? Did we do it? We added it right there. All right. So it's going to run now. Is it going to run now? All right. There it goes. It runs. But we have an error. Key ID. Oh, because it's not ID, right? Ha ha ha. Good old. The good old. That should work better. That should work a smidgen better. Still not showing on the screen though. Eventually we'll get it. Oh, no. It is working. It is working. See, you can see the player ghosts now. Kind of. Every second. See there? See where the player ghost was? And it shows you where it was previously. See, it's jumping around there. All right, so if I stay in one spot, see, there it goes. There it goes. All right, it's working. We got the player ghost showing up. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a hollow circle over here. And it's just me playing. It's just me. So we added the ghost. I want the ghost to be a little bit more prevalent. Let's add the ghost to some smidge more prevalence. Let's add a smidge more prevalence. Draw circle. What is, let's do this. 20? Let's do that. 20. Let's just say 20. I don't know if that's going to work or not. That looked like the one we needed it to be. Is it going to show up? Is it going to show up? What's the ghost, though? It's your previous position. There it is. All right. That might look like it's a little too not obvious what it is. All right. Just a smidgen of not obvious what it is. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it the player size. So we'll do it to game.player.size. Player.size. There we go. Player.size. And then we will just do like maybe 4. So it's just a smidge better on the screen. Just a smidge better. Player leave trails by rendering multiple players. Each have lesser opacity the further they get. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Like the shadow, like the blur shadow effect. Cover and ghosting. G-hosting. We did it all. We did it.